How much does Amazon FBA charge per item? Amazon FBA charges per item based on the product's size and weight, covering fulfillment, packaging, and shipping costs. For standard size products, fees typically start around $3.22 per item for small lightweight goods and can go up to about $6 to $8 per item for larger or heavier ones. This fee includes everything from picking and packing the order to customer service and returns handling, making it a complete fulfillment solution for sellers. For oversized or bulky products, the cost increases due to higher handling and shipping expenses. Oversized item fees can range from $9 to over $100 per item, depending on the item's dimensions and weight category. The larger the product, the higher the fulfillment cost. But sellers benefit from Amazon's global logistics network and fast prime delivery, which helps attract more buyers and boost sales. In addition to fulfillment fees, sellers may also pay referral fees, which are a percentage of the product's sale price, usually between 8% and 15%, depending on the category. While FBA fees may seem higher than self-fulfillment, the convenience, speed, and trust Amazon provides often lead to increased sales and better profit margins overall. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.